In a world where chaos and uncertainty reign, where obstacles loom large and challenges seem insurmountable, there exists a tool that embodies the essence of resilience and determination. The corkscrew is a symbol. It's a symbol of overcoming adversity, of breaking through barriers, and of triumphing over the odds. It is a reminder that in our darkest moments, there is always a way forward, a path to victory waiting to be unearthed. As the corkscrew effortlessly pierces through the tough exterior of a cork, we are reminded of our own inner strength and resilience. Just as the corkscrew twists and turns, navigating its way through obstacles and challenges, so too must we twist and turn. Let us raise a glass to the humble corkscrew, a timeless symbol of resilience and determination. May it inspire us to never give up, to always keep pushing forward, and to remember that in the face of adversity, we can always find a way through. Cheers to the corkscrew, the unsung hero of our triumphs and our victories. Episode 5, The Corkscrew. Welcome back to our Freestyle FPV Challenge. I'm Timo FPV, and in this series, I'm diving headfirst into the world of Freestyle FPV and learning the ins and outs of mastering 64 tricks with FPV drones. So join me, and let's go. Okay, so I haven't flown the 5-inch since the end of the summer, so we're gonna see how that goes. Hopefully I can just kill these batteries super fast and then be on my way. So while I'm setting this up, let me talk about the trick for today. Today we are doing the corkscrew. The video I watched talked about called this the corkscrew. I don't know if there's another name for it, but this is what we're calling it. I want to do the steps to the corkscrew trick are punch throttle, that's step 1, and then as soon as you punch throttle, cut the throttle and roll. And then you bring the throttle back to hovering, so close to the midpoint, wherever that is for whatever drone. And then once the horizon is level, punch throttle out of the roll and then cut it as you're rolling out of the level horizon. And then you continue to do that until you're done. And you either crash or you're throwing up from being too dizzy. Those are the steps. Have a wonderful day. I'm actually really excited to fly. I haven't flown in a while here and then with this drone, so. All right, so we got Frida. Can't seem to connect, so receiver's on. Uh-oh, why are we not connecting? What is the deal? Let's try that. There we go, okay. That's cool, I'm just an idiot. I'm actually sitting really close. Okay, so a short video today. I think I could do the corkscrew. I don't know if I consider it mastered, you know? I think there are more steps to be taken for it to be considered mastered, if I'm honest. I have to leave, unfortunately, so I can't stay. Not a lot of footage today. Oh, I do have my notebook, hold on. Because no matter what rush we're in, we always have time to do this. Trick number 5. Do I even have a pen in here? I gotta have a pen, right? Yes, 564. I would give this one a 1 star out of 5. I hope y'all are liking the videos. Make sure to check them out. I want to build a community of people who just love FPV. So while I'm drawing this, hit that subscribe button and comment down below what your favorite FPV trick is. And let's do this. Let's build a community of people who love FPV. What is this? The corkscrew. All right, so, you know, I'm going to draw a little bottle. It's a bottle of Mountain Dew. And we're going to draw a cork, and we're going to draw a little corkscrew. And there you go. That's a corkscrew. I know you can't see that. I'll put a picture of it at the end of the video, but there we go. Hey, I'm Team FPV, and stay soaring.